They told us it couldn't be done. They said you had to choose true Cinewhoop freedom or true 360 immersion. They swore the latency was a non-starter, the battery life a cruel joke, and the stabilization a software gimmick. They were wrong. Forget everything you think you know about FPV, drones, and professional aerial capture. For the last 5 years, one device has been the white whale of the industry. It's the convergence point where impossible speed meets flawless reality. This is not a review. This is an exposure. We are going deep inside the DJI Avata 360, a machine that is about to dismantle the foundations of drone technology, one high G turn at a time. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you've ever dreamt of flying through the world's most impossible spaces, strap in. Because your dream just got a 4K, 120 frames per second upgrade. You might have seen the leaks, the blurry photos, the whispered specs on backwater forums. But you haven't seen the truth. The Avata 360 is not just an incremental update. It is a completely re-engineered flying system. We've managed to get our hands on detailed, pre-release engineering data, and what we found is genuinely shocking. Let's start with the feature everyone is pretending they don't care about, the omnidirectional goggles. The original Avata's goggles were good. These are a portal. DJI didn't just widen the field of view, they abolished the frame. We're talking about an almost perfect 155-degree FOV with a sub-5 millisecond latency. You are not looking at a screen anymore. You are there. The rumored micro-OLED dual display isn't just bright. It hits a staggering 1,500 nits. Fly under the midday sun? No problem. But the real secret is the dynamic peripheral mapping. The system subtly warps the edges of your vision, virtually eliminating motion sickness for first-time FPV pilots. This isn't just for pilots, it's for every single person who wants to fly. This is the consumerization of elite FPV. Now, let's talk about the 360-degree capture mechanism. Here is the core deception they pulled off. How do you integrate a full 360-degree camera system onto a Cinewhoop without the propellers constantly being in the shot? Simple, you don't. The Avata 360 features a revolutionary, retractable 3-axis gimbal encased in a proprietary carbon fiber cage. When you switch to 360 mode, the cage drops slightly, and the camera module extends above the propeller plane. Simultaneously, the onboard processing stitches the feed from a central wide-angle lens and 2 flanking lenses, all calibrated to the exact rotational axis of the drone. The result? A perfect, prop-free 360-degree sphere of video. No external stitching needed. No post-production nightmare. Just raw, 5.7K, 60 frames per second ready-to-upload footage. But here's the kicker for the Cinewhoop purists. In FPV/racing mode, the cage retracts, locking the lens at the optimal, low-vibration angle for high-speed maneuvering, giving you that buttery-smooth, cinematic single-lens capture we all crave. It's a dual-identity drone that sacrifices nothing. Let's address the elephant in the hangar: flight time. Cinewhoops, historically, are sprinters, not marathon runners. They fly for 7 minutes,